People love handheld gaming devices. They're portable, pack power, and can run games with a decent graphics. What's not to love? Like GPD, Iron Neo, and Steam Deck, Dell showcased a handheld gaming device called the Alienware UFO back in 2020. But even today, there's no news or leaks about it. So what happened to it? Where is it? Watch today's video to learn what happened with the Alienware UFO. Dell Alienware UFO is every gamer's dream come true. It means you can play games on a device from the comfort of your bed without breaking your neck. So what made the Alienware UFO different? The short answer is awesome portability and stellar power. Back in CES 2020, Dell showcased a handheld gaming PC capable of running stock Windows and games without any hiccups. While the concept of such a device isn't anything new, the execution was truly jaw-dropping. Take Nintendo Switch and the Steam Deck, now mix them together and you'll have the Alienware UFO. Yes, it was truly supposed to be the best of both worlds. It featured an 8-inch screen, much bigger than the Nintendo Switch, yet did not compromise portability. It also featured a kickstand, a separate controller, and the ability to stream games to a monitor. If this device had actually entered the competition, Nintendo Switch and Steam Deck would have difficulty competing. The device followed a similar aesthetic to the Alienware Area 51M, all-metallic body with the backplate doubling as a kickstand. The detachable controllers could be used with the bridge, much as you see with the Switch, and the dock mode was there too. In essence, it was the perfect handheld gaming device, a harmonious fusion between power and portability. People speculated that it was an Intel-powered device and utilized a Core i5 10th-gen processor. And as for its graphics, seeing how quietly the fans spun at the CES, people did not think there was any discrete graphics in it, rather Iris Pro graphics running the show. But these are just speculations because Dell never announced any specs during the event. These are the features that people love and want. The Steam Deck went a long way towards the desire for portability but didn't really nail it. There's no doubt it's a powerful system, but you don't have the detachable controllers, the dock, or the bridge. In fact, the Steam Deck does not run Windows natively. On the other hand, the Nintendo Switch has all the portability but lacks Windows or Proton support, ultimately limiting the game's library. It's true that Alienware UFO wasn't without its flaws. Despite the portable setup at the time, it didn't have any support for local co-op. Also, games that required launchers worked through aggregation software. So it wasn't a perfect device software-wise, but these could have been fixed. This handheld gaming device created a lot of buzz back in 2020. However, even if you look at Steam Deck, you will see that the number of pre-orders crashed their website. So it's evident that the handheld gaming market is ripe for the taking. So where is the Alienware UFO? Even after 2 years, there's no sound, no leaks, and not even any early peaks. Even with the lead on Valve, it really makes you think about where the device is today. This handheld device is probably the only Alienware device showcased but never released. If small companies like GPD and Iron Neo could come up with such handheld gaming devices, a behemoth like Dell could have easily done it. Yet, there's no news. But with all the demoing, we believe the Alienware UFO is much more developed than Dell would like us to believe. Others suggest that since it's a concept product, community support is necessary for it to become a reality. Some also suggest that it was just a concept and nothing more. They wanted to show what they were capable of accomplishing, and they did that, and now there's no final product. Some also suggest that it's too late for them to join the handheld PC party, especially seeing how the Steam Deck is dominating the market. Valve offers the world's biggest game library through Steam, so if you own the game, chances are you can play the game on the deck. On top of the massive game library, Valve nailed the pricing with their handheld PC system, so competitive pricing is extremely hard for any new entrants. Even after these, people like to keep their fingers crossed and hope that we will see it once in-person events become the norm. So, that was all about what happened to the Dell Alienware UFO. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.